All right, today we have the Fobbles F4 fog bubble machine from Froggy'S Fog. It is, I believe, yep, a 1400 watt fog machine. And I don't know if they do bubbles the same way. This thing weighs about 25 pounds.
The tank size for the fog fluid is, what is it?
A third of a gallon.
A third of a gallon.
Yeah, the bubble tray is 0.4 gallons.
Where do you see? I don't see it. Oh, well, we're gonna trust him.
Yeah, it says it right here. Bubble tray size 0.42 gallons. The fluid size on the fog is 0.32 gallons. But
And we have the Techno bubbles,
and
the original black light bubbles,
yep, it is blue black light bubbles.
and the bog fog. We can try the bog fog, I think, now, but the Techno bubbles, it needs to be,
We need a black light,
yeah.
and we got lots of them, but not yet.
We just have too much sun.
So we need to get the electricity hooked up, but I guess first. No kids. All right. Well, it's boxed in here good. Looks like we have the user's manual, cord, and remote.
Remote.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like this might all have to come out at once. Right. Unless you want to take it out, cut the box.
No, we'll need the box.
That's what I was thinking. Ah. So it does have styrofoam, keep it safe while in transit.
And there are a few kids behind the camera playing football. Avery, shh.
Alright, so check this monstrosity out. Ooh-wee. So this is for the frog fluid, and you just pour your bubbles in here. I don't know if you can see, but it's got the rotating bubble blower. Then condensation drip tray. Oh man, this got all kinds of controls. That's a bubble tray drain. Okay, never mind. Plug in. There's the fuse. Power switch. Your DMX in and your DMX out. And I don't know anything about DMXs. Except for the one who passed away. But this thing has all kinds of controls on it. So we're definitely going to need to let her read the directions. And get this thing plugged up so you guys can see it. But here's the cord. It does have like a little locking mechanism on it. Let me get y'all the remote. A, B, C, and D. I have no idea what that means yet, but we're going to learn. And you can also cover it up so you don't accidentally hit the buttons, since it's a keychain. But I guess for now, we're going to have to hit the pause button while Katrina does some homework. Alright, so got the bubbles in, got the fog in. The black lights are right here. heat it up. Looks like some of the bubbles didn't want to come out. Look at the bubbles. You ready? You ready?
Wait.
You ready? Get them! Yeah! He likes them.
What are all those?
The bubbles.
What are all those?
And what we're using is the Bog Fog and the Techno Bubbles UV Blue. Once it gets a little darker, we'll definitely get some more video. But for whatever reason, the bubbles like to stay in here. But yep, we'll come back with more and we'll try to set it up. We don't have any batteries or a screwdriver to see if this even has batteries in it right now. Well, we figured out how to hit the manual and lock. So it's just going full blast now. The wind's blowing around like a damn to the house. All right, well, it's dark. We got her warmed up, ready to go. We got a stupid street light, but there we go. Of course, there was no wind blowing a minute ago.
What?
The bubbles.
Well,
Back up, baby. There's definitely glow in the bubbles.
He got popped.
well,
He got popped on
he
his face.
ran through the smoke, so he's now glowing.
What's in me?
And Avery.
Look up at us. Look at your hands.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go in and take a bath, both of you.
Why?
Because
To
you
get
got
that
glow stuff all over your face.
We got bubbles?
Yeah.
The camera's not really picking up the glow of the bubbles, but as you could see from the kids, there is glow. So